We're currently here in Pokhara, which is Nepal's second largest city and main tourist hotspot, and in today's video we're going to be going out and renting a rowboat and going for a wee bit of a row around the lake, which is the main attraction here, then heading on a small hike to visit the World Peace Podgoda, where we have an absolute disaster and nightmare happen to us. Very sad. I don't even know what to say. But we're going to then finish the day out by visiting Nepal's own version and very scary, unsafe version of Disneyland. So I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it.
There are loads of different trekking companies and trekking shops here as well, just like in Kathmandu, and it's really making me want to go and do like the Annapurna circuit or something like that, but my body really wants me to rest after Mt Everest, so I think I'm going to listen to it.
So it is a lot nicer here than Kathmandu, to be honest with you. It's so much more chilled out, so much more relaxed. Not as much chaos going on either, and you don't have to worry about getting run over by bikes or cars coming down the street. And yeah, we're just proper having a nice time, just walking around, taking it easy and just enjoying ourselves.
So once we finished up walking around the streets, we made our way down to the lakefront, where we spent some time soaking up the atmosphere, doing a little bit of people watching and relaxing before we sorted out a wee rowing boat and headed out on the water.
What colour of a life jacket do you want?
I'll go blue.
You want to go blue? Ooh, I'm excited.
I'll go one.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Bye.
Hey! This is great. We got a boat.
Well, that was a lot easier than I was thinking it was going to be. We literally rocked down to the boat counter, got a boat for less than 1,000 rupees, and away we go.
So we have actually been here in Pokhara for like maybe 3 days so far. We haven't really done too much, to be honest. After our base camp Everest track and spending a bit of time in Kathmandu, we wanted to just kind of chill out here and relax, and this is like the perfect activity for it. And we actually went around yesterday and like looked at a few other boating companies, because there's loads of different places renting these boats. You can get paddle boats or rowboats, so we've just got a wee two-person rowboat today, and this guy was actually the cheapest by like quite a bit as well. He was under 1,000 for the boat for basically the whole day, whereas most of them were like in around 14 to 1,600 for the day. So we got a good deal as well, which I'm very happy about.
So the main reason why we actually rented a boat today was to row to the other side of the lake and go to this mountain you can see just behind us. We're going to have a 45-minute hike to get up to the top and visit the World Peace Podgoda. This is one of the main things to check out when you're in this area. So we said, why not go and do it today? And I think we've got a good day for it.
Row, row, row your boat gently round the lake. Merrily, 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 life's about a cake.
Cake?
Yeah.
Who has cake?
I wish I'd cake. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that's not a good
1,
rhythm.
2, 3, 4.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah, we're moving now. We're going places. Go on, keep going. You're nearly there.
This is a workout now.
Paddle, paddle, paddle. Just drifting, drifting. Hey, we made it. Woohoo! Go on, tie us up there, Captain. Dock the ship. Go on, go on. Hey. Bye-bye. I really hope that boat's there when we get back.
So now that we have made it safe and sound and dry to the other side of the lake, it is time to find the pathway up to the pagoda. The start of the steps.
The many steps.
Many, many steps.
I'm not gonna lie to you, this walk is kind of taking it out of us. You wouldn't think literally just like last week, a few days ago, we climbed the base camp Everest, and this wee small hill's beating me. The walk up here is lovely though. You're actually going through and past loads of wee like local houses, and there's different people out doing like their washing and cooking and tidying up their yard and brushing and stuff. So yeah, it's proper nice. And the views up here as well are wicked, really, really cool. You can see the whole way over Pokhara city, the whole way over the lake. And now that we're up here, it actually looks like a really clear day. Whereas when you're down in the lake and down on land, kind of where we came from this morning, it looks like it's quite misty. But yeah, it's actually a lovely day. I think we're getting closer, we're getting closer. So we have just made it up to the World Peace Podgoda here, and I'm trying to whisper because there's loads of signs around saying that you have to be quiet and that you're not allowed to actually video or take pictures or anything like that, and loads of signs saying no TikToks as well. However, literally every single person here is talking on the phone, taking videos, taking pictures. So we weren't going to take any videos when we seen the signs, and then we seen literally everybody else doing it, and we thought if they're doing it, you know, surely we can do it too. But yeah, it's actually really, really nice. It's really peaceful. This is one of 100 different World Peace Podgodas that have been built throughout the world. I think this is number 71, and it was actually built by the Japanese. It's very, very interesting, really nice place to come up and check out, and the views over the whole of Pokhara here is actually really, really nice. However, it is kind of misty the higher now that we have got up, and the views are lovely over the city, but when you kind of look a wee bit further, everything kind of fades into whiteness nearly, and it's nearly so in your eyes to look as well. I wish I had my sunglasses.
I wish it was a really clear day though, because you can just see like the mountains and the hills behind us, and it looks so nice. So I wish I could properly see them and actually take in the view.
But yeah, really nice, chill, peaceful place, but I don't think we're going to stay too long because there's not actually too much up here. We're probably going to make our way back down towards the boat now, about 30 minutes of a hike down, and then go for a wee bit of a paddle in the lake again.
Back out of the boat, and it's still here, so we're gonna hop back in here, go for a little paddle around the lake, and then eventually make our way back over to the other side.
Whew. Okay, the important part first before we go anywhere. Life jacket's back on. I am not getting into that water today. Safety first.
All aboard.
Are you ready to set sail?
Let's go. Whee! Come on before your feet get wet. Oh. Oh.
I'm in.
That was pretty smooth.
That was very smooth. Okay, so the saddest thing that has happened to us in a long time has literally just happened to us. We tried to fly the drone from the boat, which is something that we've done many times, flying the drone from like water. And Ashley normally holds it in her hand and it takes off and takes beautiful videos and pictures and all the rest. And it literally just took off from her hand and went and flopped straight into the water. And our drone is now lying at the bottom of this lake in Pokhara. Very sad. I don't even know what to say. It was like my best toy. I like loved it so much. And now we have no drone. It's just lying at the bottom of the lake. It literally just sank to the bottom of the lake as soon as it like left her hand. I don't know what happened. I changed the propellers on it like the other day. Maybe I put them the wrong way and it just couldn't take off right. And as soon as like it went to start, left Ashleen's hand, just literally toppled over and went straight into the water, and just, we didn't even have time to like grab it. It just went straight down. And we are now officially droneless. Not gonna lie, I'm heartbroken. Bit of a change of events in the day, but yeah, very sad.
Well, that was sad. And that was Owen's best friend in the world, other than me, obviously. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna be grieving for the next few days. This is not how we hoped today would end. We do have another half an hour, 45 minutes to just row around the lake and enjoy this, so we're gonna try our best to do that, and yeah, we'll just wait and see how the day ends up. Come on, smile.
This is my happy face.
Smile like you mean it.
This is my happy face right now.
Smile like you mean it.
Ooh. And we are nearly back to shore, thankfully. I don't want to lose anything else to this water, so I think the safer option is just to get out of it.
Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Back to land, thankfully. Okay, we have just spent this past couple of hours lying in a room,
Moping.
feeling sorry for ourselves, moping because we lost the drone. But life goes on, it's not the end of the world.
Yeah, we can't be sad about it all day. I was trying to be very
Yeah.
positive and happy and chirpy earlier, and then I got back and it was like, we lost the drone.
Sad, yeah.
But we're not going to let it hold us back.
We're not at all. We're coming out tonight again. We are heading out for what hopefully is going to be a real fun night to pick us up. And we are heading to Disneyland. And yes, you heard that right. Disneyland in Pokhara.
But
It looks...
it's not exactly like a normal Disneyland.
No, it's a wee bit ropey looking, to be honest with you. We've walked past it a few times. It's right along like the waterfront here at the lake.
The promenade
The
is what I'm
promenade
calling
area,
it.
yeah. And it basically looked like a kid's mini Disneyland, but like on
On
steroids. All the rides go so fast, everything's shaky and rattly, so this could be pretty
Very
interesting in
unsafe.
itself. Very unsafe, but to be honest with you, I'm excited.
We need to pick me up, and I think this
Yeah,
is going to do
let's
it.
go
So
get cheered up.
go.
I'm very excited.
So there aren't that many rides here at this Disneyland, but there is a Ferris wheel, there's like a spinny thing that goes round, there's a ranger that does a full 360. So, you know, there's enough to play with. I don't think I'll be going upside down and doing any 360s, but we are going to go on the Ferris wheel that goes far too fast for what a Ferris wheel should actually go, but this should be interesting.
Heck, I'm a wee bit scared. There's no doors. Man, that's how you run it. Do you see it's like a handle or a handbrake? Do you see it?
my
At the side of the seat, it's like a big seat and like a handbrake.
Oh, stop.
All running that dinky belt.
You're really making me feel
Really safe?
Yeah.
Hey,
What
look at
is
this.
that?
Come on, get your seatbelt on. Look at that.
Seatbelt secure. Oh my god.
How does it even go?
Oh my god. No, I'm.
This is so funny. This looks proper Dodge. There's like no gate, no door. It's rattly as frig, and you've just got like a nice wee bar going across here. And we know it goes super fast because we've seen it go over this past couple of days. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope this wasn't a stupid move.
I don't know if I'm excited. I was freaking out that they didn't get my bar on before we took off. Woo! Oh my god. I want to go faster!
Faster!
I'm gonna regret saying that.
Faster! 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 Woo! Oh, do you feel how rattly it is? Oh shit!
The noises!
Hey, loads of fun!
I don't want to let go of the bar.
I already lost it on the day. I don't want to lose an Ashling.
Please no. Hey! Oh, all the fun's over.
Come on.
Goodbye, lovely Ferris wheel.
That's so funny, man. That's just like him like driving it like that. That was a great first ride. Let's go get more. More.
The one thing that I
We'll not go on.
specifically said I didn't want to go on to. Owen wants to go on.
We're going on upside down anything.
No.
Definitely. Yeah, upside down anything. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you, Danny Bad.
Hey! You know the back.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ooh, I'm excited. So we actually love going to like theme parks, fun fairs, different like amusement parks and attractions like this. So this is like right up our street. Proper cheering us up as well after we drone disaster earlier. Well, cheering me up anyway.
I just like them when they're maybe a wee bit more like looked after, not so rusty, not so noisy.
Zero health and safety here. We would just watch this one go around, and like before it even stopped going, everybody had like their, I don't know what they're called, these things, or safety protection things that holds them in out.
Just bit.
Oh yeah, no problem. Oh. Thank you. As safe as it can be.
Namaste. That is not secure.
It locks in place. It actually moves whenever people sit in it as well, so like two people just get on behind us and the whole thing just goes.
It's been a minute since I've been on a big ride like this as well.
A big ride, listen to you.
It's going upside down. We're doing a full 360 here.
360.
360, Ranger 360. Oh, the things. Oh,
there we go.
don't forget your health and safety.
Very safe. Hold on. Yeah. I don't like the fact he told us to hold on. I'm like, is that always a dodge then? It doesn't feel secure at all. Oh my god, it's not even remotely tight.
Oh my god.
You okay?
No.
You're sweating. Sweat's teeming down your face.
Oh my god, I need to sit down.
Oh, he's got the safety rope off and all already. Oh wow, are you okay? Oh, oh wow, Aisling, oh my god.
That was intense.
You're dripping.
Never again.
You are dripping. You ready?
Yeah.
Thank you. Don't fall over, don't kipe. Don't kipe.
Hands down, the most intense ride I've ever been on in my entire life. I just sat for about 5 minutes.
Poor Aisling's so weak.
Like, yeah, sweating. I had it completely strip off. And I'm still not okay. Like, no. Just
Disneyland in Pokhara has you broken.
broke me. It's actually broke me. Actually broke me. I'm looking at all these rides and I'm like, I knew they looked scary before I went on them. I did not think that one was gonna
Break you.
yeah. I'm still not right. I'm shaking. Like,
yeah, I think the best thing for us to do now is maybe just to leave this video here. I think we need to go home. I think Aisling needs to go home anyway.
Well,
I had a
look at it this
blast.
way.
It was scary, but it was fun.
it still put a smile on our faces.
It cheered us up.
That's what we needed.
Definitely.
So,
Need to go get Aisling some juice, some fizzy juice, maybe some sugar in her, pick her up again. But I think we're going to leave this video for now. We really hope you enjoyed this one. If you're coming to Nepal, definitely make sure to check out Pokhara. It is a wicked spot.
and
So
you
much
know,
cool stuff to do
come
here.
to Disneyland.
Come to Disneyland. Just prepare yourself. It's a wee bit dodgy, a wee bit rattly, but fun. Fun, we'll say. And hopefully you'll join us again for another video. See you later.
Bye.